This is the 2018 Honda Accord Hybrid Touring. LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. Power adjustable seats and lumbar support. This vehicle does have a heads-up display. Nice big clean navigation system. Vehicle is also equipped with smartphone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth audio. Dual climate control. Power ports. Wireless charging for wireless charging capable phones and devices. All-weather cargo mats in the back seat as well as the front and the trunk. Heated seat in the back. Capless fuel filler. Equipped with perma plate. Spacious trunk. Backup camera with 3 different views. This is the 2018 Honda Accord Hybrid Touring.